Good afternoon, all faculty members, judges, and my dear friends. I am Vijay Sharma from class 11th Arts. We are here to discuss about teaching religion in school is an excellent way to teach values to children because many religions do have strong ethics and moral values in them, like charity, kindness, self-discipline, etc.
Good afternoon, all faculty members, chief judges, and my dear friends. Firstly, I am introducing myself, Khushbu Rajput from class 11th Arts. We are presenting our thoughts over religion should not be taught in school. If you are saying that religious teaches us ethics and moral values, then ethical values can also be taught in other ways. Because in raising their children to be households are respecting and caring also.
By listening and responding to the stories from religious scriptures, students can assimilate it as a part of their personal, social and emotional development.
But the chances are that the religious teacher will only have a really good knowledge of their own religion, so will mostly teach them and will inevitably be biased if he is a teaching of other religion. This could have an opposite effect from home by the position.
In my point of view, some religious books and religious topics should be added to the syllabus of school education. In these ways, we can also preserve our ancient knowledge in our new generation.
I agree with you. Actually, today's students are learning many subjects like science, math, social studies, and many other language subjects. If we are at learning scriptures or religious books, then it will cause enlargement of syllabus. It will put pressure on our students' mind.
But most importantly, it promotes self-awareness, respect, open-mindedness, communication and problem solving. It teaches us to respect our actions and also reminds us about our moral duties and values.
But I would like to say, if we shall talk about only religion or we favor only one religion, then many disputes will be created because India is a democratic country and secular country. We should respect each and every religion equally. So religious studies should not be taught in school.
In my perspective, whether we read Bhagavad Gita or Quran or any other religious book, every book teaches us the lesson of humanity. By reading this book, we can also preserve our old cultural traditions.
As you are saying, by this we can preserve our old customs. But as you know, we are in the technology where no one wants to learn about religion. If we shall stuck to old orthodox myths, then what would be the use of practical life and practical education?
For those who believe in positive side of religious education, the argument is that children are able to develop more than just academic skills but also humanistic advantage by studying about religion in school.
In my point of view, it is that from non-religious stories that teach values up to historic examples of great people that had nothing to do with religion. The argument is that ethics are not similar with religion. So why should that be reason for religion to be taught in school only?
If you are saying that not religious story tells us about our history, then there are many stories in religion also tells us about our history. Then what is problem with teaching religion in school?
The problem was that this was reason among children or students studying together because they all belong to different religions.
I know religion does have potential to divide our society if it is not understood. It may cause many social problems like disputes, conflicts, and religious discrimination among the people of same country.
We know that religious study is important, but it should be taught in schools or not, even us, how much we promote them and how should we accept them, even us. Thank you.